Welcome back or welcome to Live a Little. Today we're touring balcony room 8674 on board Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. We're here as a family of 3, so let's see how this balcony cabin really feels. Welcome to our room. We are in a balcony on the 8th floor. And this is it. It's a good sized balcony room, I do have to say, and there's lots and lots of storage. So first you walk in, you've got a nice mirror here so you can see what you look like before you leave. You have the light controls as well right here, so you do need to put a key card in and then you can control the lights. I put the key card in for you, which is very helpful. And then you come on this way, you reach the nice large bed. But before that, let's start with some storage. So you've got this good sized closet, hanging space, lots of shelves, a small little safe, not very big at all. Definitely not big enough for an iPad or a laptop or anything like that, but good amount of storage space. 2 drawers, also decent size. And then on this side of the side tables, you've got a little shelf there. Jack has his phone and stuff. You've got the room phone and then a light, and the light has a US plug as well as a USB-C and a little light switch. And you have also lights to control the room right there. Good sized bed. Come along this side. They put some nice little hooks here, so if you need to hang anything, you can, which is also kind of nice that it doesn't have like the typical shelf that most ones have, because then that would make this space very tight. So you come along this side, same kind of end table on this side. You've got a US plug as well as a USB-C, and then some more little shelves. And then you have a massive closet here. We started putting our stuff in it with plenty of hangers and lots of storage. Great place to put some of your suitcases. But if you don't want to put your suitcases there because you have lots of long dresses and stuff, great place to put them is underneath the bed. There's plenty of space under there. Then you come along this way. You've got a nice sized couch here. And if you're traveling with kids, this does pull out into a bed. We'll show you an image of that later because we do have our daughter with us. So we'll show you what the bed looks like. And then this way, you've got a nice little space to do your makeup if you wanted, or some work if you really had to. Just a nice little desk, basically. And then even more storage. Oh, as well as the desk, you do have 2 US plugs, USB, and 2 Euro plugs, and another US plug. So very, very helpful on all of the plugs. So if you have somebody sleeping here, they can plug all their stuff in here. Then you've got some more shelves. You do have drawers. Sorry, these are drawers, not shelves. You got a nice little hairdryer right here, some more info. You have a mini fridge that is empty, just your typical mini fridge, so if you need to put stuff in it, you can. And then a bunch of extra drawer spaces. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. And then you have the balcony. Let's go out into the balcony. Let's go out into the balcony. Now let's come out onto your balcony. Perfect size, especially if you've got 2 people. You've got a little coffee table, 2 chairs, and then under these chairs there is actually, see if I can pull it out, you've got a nice little leg rest here. So on a sea day, this is a great spot to sit and relax. If you've been enjoying this video so far, or you find it helpful, we'd absolutely love it if you'd hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell. It just helps the channel out so much. Honestly, it works great for 2 people. If you got a little kid standing here too, there's still plenty of space. Not a huge balcony, but definitely bigger than some balconies for sure. Now let's go and check out the bathroom inside. Come on. God, that's a hard one to close. And if you have kids, besides the fact that that is very hard to close, if you're concerned about your kids going out onto the balcony, there is another little safety latch up here. You just, okay, you push that. Sorry, that was harder than I expected.
We're an adult safety latch.
Yeah, you push that and then a kid can't get out. So if they try and manage to do this, so when it's fully latched and you do this, you can't actually open it because that latch will stop it from opening. So then your kids can't get out on the balcony. Also, if you want the AC to continue to run in your room, you have to have this door closed or the AC will turn off. Okay, now let's go check out the bathroom. Come on. Bathroom is right here. Oh wait, before we go into the bathroom, you do have another light switch right here, which is for the bathroom. And then you have your temperature control here. So it's basically just hot or cold, not necessarily an actual temperature. Now let's look at the bathroom. Not a bad size for a cruise ship balcony. You've got a sink, you've got plenty of space here to put any of your extra stuff. You've got a little bar of soap with Royal Caribbean branded ones. Your towels, you've got some shelves down here, so if you need to store some extra stuff, as well as shelving here as well. You got your toilet and then your shower. Good size. Plenty of space to do all the stuff you need. I do appreciate that this is plexi or glass or whatever and not the shower curtain, because then the shower curtain just kind of sticks to you. I like this a lot better. It's a little cleaner. Okay, so also in the bathroom, you do have 2 hooks here as well, which is very helpful for your cosmetics or extra towels or anything you have to hang, wet bathing suits. And then in the shower as well, you do have a little rest for your foot, as well as 2 more hooks here. So if you want to hang wet bathing suits, this is actually probably the most ideal spot for it. Just good little things like that that are helpful in a small, tight bathroom. One thing I do just want to mention about this room is its location. Sorry, this hall's a little bit of a mess. It was the last day before we left. You are super conveniently located to the elevators, which is always great. And honestly, it wasn't very loud at all. But not only are you close to the elevators, you're also very close to Central Park, which is a nice escape and just a great way to reach some stuff, even if it's things like the Park Cafe, which if you've never been on any of this class of ships before, it's basically like a grab-and-go buffet. So if you've got little kids, it's a great option. There's also a bar in the park. You've also got some specialty restaurants in the park. It's just a really fantastic location on this ship. It was very easy to get everywhere. That concludes our room tour of the balcony. We are in room 8674, so hope you enjoyed the balcony. Now let's go and enjoy the rest of the ship, and let's get out and let's live a little. Bye, guys. It wasn't fully latched. This won't open when it's actually fully latched. Now, if you want to check out a room that is completely opposite of this one, go check out this video of the Ultimate Family Suite on board the Utopia. It's pretty epic.